In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable iMessage on your iPhone 6. Whether you're new to the iOS ecosystem or just need a quick refresher, this guide will help you manage iMessage settings with ease. Let's start by enabling iMessage on your device. First, grab your iPhone 6 and unlock it. Once you're on the home screen, we're heading into the Settings app. You can find the app icon that looks like a set of gears. Give it a tap to open. Now within Settings, scroll down until you see the section labelled Messages. It's usually accompanied by an icon of a green speech bubble. Tap on Messages to proceed into its settings. Here you'll find a list of options. Look for the switch labelled iMessage at the top. To enable iMessage, simply toggle the switch to the on position. You'll know it's activated when the switch changes color to green. This indicates that your device is setting up iMessage using either your Apple ID or your phone number. This should just take a couple of seconds, so be patient. Once it's activated, you can confirm that it's working by sending a message to another iPhone. Messages to other iPhones should appear with blue bubbles, indicating that they're sent as an iMessage instead of a regular SMS. Now, let's move on to disabling iMessage in case you want to turn it off for any reason, perhaps to save on data, or if you're switching to a non-Apple device. Again, start by going to your iPhone's home screen and open the Settings app. Scroll down until you find Messages and tap to open it. Once you are in the message settings, locate the same iMessage switch. This time, to disable the service, toggle the switch to the off position. You'll see the switch turn grey, signifying that iMessage has been deactivated. From now on, any text messages you send to other phones will go out as SMS, which are displayed as green bubbles on your screen. This is especially useful to know if you're communicating with devices that aren't running iOS. Remember, switching off iMessage doesn't delete any of your messages. They remain on your device. It simply changes the way future messages are sent from your phone, and that's it. Now you know how to enable and disable iMessage on your iPhone 6. Whether you're switching it on to enjoy seamless communication with fellow Apple users or turning it off to troubleshoot issues, these steps will have you covered. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our channel for more helpful tech tips and tutorials.